Hello students, good morning to all of you. In magnetic effect of current, in today's lecture, we learn about force on a charged particle. Before learn about force on charged particle, we will just recall the previous knowledge that when a charge is placed at a location, okay, then it produce electric field around it, okay, this we all know. And it also applied force on other particle. That force is given by QE or E, QE. Clear? The direction of force or the direction of electric field in the direction of force. This we have the previous knowledge from our first unit, that is electrostatic. Now in today's class we will understood about force on a charged particle when it is in electric field, and second, force on charged particle when it is placed in the magnetic field. Okay, so फर्स्ट केस ये दो पोजीशन पे हो सकता है. वन इज इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, इन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Okay, this is first point, and the second is in magnetic field. Okay, now first we understood about the force on a charged particle in electric field. Force on charged particle in electric field. Okay, if the particle is allowed to move in electric field, that the electric field is moving like this. Okay, this is electric field from positive to negative. Okay, then if a charge is moving in the field like this, having a velocity u, okay, initial velocity u, then it experiences a force due to presence of electric field from A to B. Clear? That force experienced by the charge particle of charge q in electric field is given by QE. Okay, now we know that the force is given by mass into acceleration, which is equal to QE. Clear? Now the acceleration gained by the charged particle in the electric field is A is equal to QE upon m, where m is the mass of the charged particle. Now it is observed that when the particle is moving, then if we resolve the velocity vector if the particle is moving with an angle of theta, making angle of theta in horizontal direction or direction of electric field, therefore horizontal velocity u x is equal to u cos theta, and the vertical velocity that is uy is u sin theta. Clear? Then it is observed that as the particle is moving in the field, so the electric field is accelerate it in the direction of horizontal, and there is no force applied or work in the direction of vertical. So it is observed that as the particle is moving in the magnetic field, at this point the horizontal velocity here and the vertical velocity this, so particle is moving in this direction. At this point horizontal and vertical, we observe that the particle is accelerate in the direction of electric field, and as we move further we get the motion of the particle is nearly parallel to the field. So in electric field the particle is accelerate and its path is likely to parabolic. Which you learn in your 11th class. If the particle is moving with effect of two types of forces, okay, then its motion is known as projectile, and the projectile motion is given by the parabolic path. This is the acceleration due to the electric field, force experienced by the electric field of the particle. If we want to describe the equation of this path, then we are using the second equation, that is distance traveled is ut plus half at square. If initial velocity when the particle is at rest, so this will become 0, then, and the distance is given by y, therefore time taken जितना भी ये लेगा, that is time is equal to distance covered, that is this x, and velocity have the particle is v. Okay, therefore it is observed that half a x upon v whole square. So we can prove this, the path of the particle is parabolic. This is the equation of parabola by using the second equation of motion in electric field. This is equation of parabola. Hence path of charge particle in electric field is parabolic. Okay, and second, is important point, when a particle is moving in the electric field when charge particle moving in electric field, its motion is called accelerated motion. Its acceleration is this value. A is equal to QE upon m, and the direction of acceleration is in the direction of force experienced by the particle, that is in the direction of electric field. This is the force experienced by the particle in the electric field. Okay. We can also give this relation after putting the value of q in the formula, acceleration in the formula. Okay, now just copy it. Then we are going to, or we will learn about the force in charged particle in magnetic field. Second, force on charged particle in magnetic field. Okay. Now, if a magnetic field is represented by cross, then the magnetic field is inward and the magnetic field is called the inward or perpendicular to the plane of paper, inward direction. Okay, this is magnetic field perpendicular to plane of paper, okay, inward field, inवर्ड्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ये जो क्रॉस फील्ड्स होते हैं इस तरह से दिखाते हैं. मान लीजिए कि कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल है, दिस इज चार्ज क्यू इज केप्ट और वी से एट रेस्ट इन magnetic field. Because it is at rest in magnetic field, then there is no work, no force experienced by the particle in the magnetic field. Secondly, we say F is equal to 0 when particle is red, charge at rest in magnetic field, no magnetic force force work on it. Okay. Second, this is first situation. Second, when charge particle moving parallel to magnetic field, then it also experience no force due to magnetic field. Okay, these are the two situations which is observed. Now we are going to establish the formula for this situation. Okay. Okay. When a particle is allowed to is allowed to move in a magnetic field, it experience a force normal to the direction of magnetic field. Okay. So सपोज हमारे पास ये फील्ड है, ओके, एंड अ पार्टिकल इज मूविंग with velocity v, okay, which is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. This is the motion of the particle, and this is how the motion of the particle is shown by the red marker, and the magnetic field is inward direction, which is perpendicular to each other. So the force experienced by the particle in the magnetic field is normal to the magnetic field, and it is drifted or experience a normal force. ठीक है, तो due to the force of magnetic field, it is observed that the particle is moving in a circular path. Clear? So if particle is allowed to move having of charge q with a velocity v, then in the magnetic field it will experience a force due to which it will move in the direction of circular path. Clear? Let the center of the particle of its circular path is O, and the radius of the path is small r. Therefore when the particle it is हमें पहले से पता है कि अगर कोई पार्टिकल सर्कुलर पाथ में मोशन करता है, सो इट विल एक्सपीरियंस अ सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स. लेट the centripetal force is act in the direction of the center, and the force which provide the centripetal force to moving the particle uh, in the magnetic field, it is also acted towards center, because the particle is moving due to that force, that magnetic force, which allow the particle to move in the circular path. So the force experienced by the particle in magnetic field is, we know that that force is QVB. Clear? This is equation first. And because the particle is moving in the circular path, therefore the centripetal force is provided by this magnetic force QVB. Therefore this is magnetic force. Because the particle is moving in the circular path, so the centripetal force FC mv square upon r is equation second, which is equal to the magnetic force. Therefore FC equal to FB, and we get this is mv square upon r is equal to QVB. Clear? Now here this we cancel by this, so we get from here velocity of the particle in the circular path is Q B R upon m. This is the velocity of the particle in the circular path in the magnetic field. Now the radius of the path, radius r is equal to Vm upon QB. This is the radius of the circular path in which the charged particle moving in the magnetic field. Now second, time taken by the particle to complete its one rotation in the circular path. So when a particle is moving in the circular motion, so it have angular